Okay, my sincere students, very obedient students, the future of our country, class 12 students. Today, again we are here with 3-4 students, and I am going to complete this chapter 10. So today in this class we will be learning about Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. I will tell you in rural self-governments what is the role of Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. I am going to tell you. Okay, and after that we will also learn power and function of Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. My dear students, and in last we are going to learn about power and function of Gram Panchayat. My dear students, so let's proceed and let's start our class, but let's take a recap of our last class as well. In our last class we have learned about qualification of a member, yes or no, and after that we have learned about tenure means time, okay, and then we also learn about the removal of ruler self government we learned, and now it's turn to complete Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. As you know, as you are staying here in the Jaigaon, you know every Gram Panchayat have Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. My dear students, Pradhan is the head of the Gram Panchayat. Anything going to take place, each and every ward member will consult once to Pradhan. So now what happened? This Pradhan and Up-Pradhan, let me tell you, right after the elections, Panchayat elections, when we choose our ward member, BDO will call all the ward members. BDO will call all the ward member in his office, and among all ward member will be choosing Pradhan and Up-Pradhan. Pradhan is the main powerful, person in Gram Panchayat. But if in the absence of Pradhan, like let's say if the Pradhan is not available in the office, what will happen? Up-Pradhan will be taking charge. Are you getting me? Up-Pradhan will be taking charge. Up-Pradhan means Vice Pradhan, assistant of Pradhan, next to Pradhan. Yes or no? He is the second powerful person in Gram Panchayat. But the number one, first powerful person in Gram Panchayat is Pradhan itself. Now, you understood this. Now, what we are going to do, Abhishek Sharma? We are going to learn power and function of Pradhan.
Sir.
Power and function of Pradhan. Let them miss this class. None of my business.
Sir didn't allow them to.
Yes, because they have not wear masks. See, I am teaching and I have wear masks. I have washed my hand also. You people never being in class 12, but you don't know the value of masks. It means you are violating the rule of World Health Organization. School is closed. I am calling you here in my home just to keep you in the touch of study, my dear. So now let's see power and function of Pradhan, my dear student. Deepika, power and function of Pradhan. My dear students, power and function of Pradhan. Let's see here. The Pradhan conduct the financial affair and the administration. Who control financial affair? Financial affair means जो भी पैसा का लेन देन मामला. Who handle this? Pradhan himself. And also he control administrations of Gram Panchayat. Are you getting me? Say?
Yes, sir.
Number one function, he control financial affairs. Number two, he control administrations of Gram Panchayat. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
My dear students, next function, let's see. He take necessary action for maintenance of the documents, files and seal of the Panchayat. Now my dear students, let's see. He also handle all the documents of Gram Panchayat, all the files of Gram Panchayat. Yes or no? Each and everything's record used to be kept in the office of Pradhan. Okay. So we have understood. Now let's see. He supervises and controls the employee of panchayat and also employ the officer deputed by the governments. My dear student, now let's see. There are many staff required in gram panchayat. Yes or no? One will be issuing resident. One will be checking the health of the rural people. Yes or no? One will be collecting the tax on houses and land. Yes or no? So who employ this? Who hire this? Who keep this? Pradhan used to hire these all persons for the work of panchayat. Are you getting me? Work of panchayat. Are you getting me? So 3 points we have learned. How many points we have learned? 4 points. 4 points we have learned. Very good. Number 1, he controls the financial affair of gram panchayat. Number 2, he controls the administrations of gram panchayat. Number 3, all the files, documents, deed, each and every record is being checked and kept by Pradhan. Yes or no? Number 4, he hired the employee of panchayat. He hired the employee of panchayat. 4 we have learned. That will be the sufficient for our. Yes, taxes also 5. Deepika is full of phrase of prepare. Yes or no? Now we are going to power and function of gram panchayat. Pradhan we have learned. This was the power and function of Pradhan. But one GP, what all are the functions? Let me tell you. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Gram panchayat check the health of his people. Now my dear student, the world is hit by corona. We stay here in the Jagaon, but the corona test has been done by panchayat free of cost. They will not charge. Are you getting me? So he is checking his area people. Deepika, today you go and check. Okay. Number two, he provide medicines to the people. Number 4, if necessary, on the village road, he provide the light facilities as well. He maintain sanitations of his village area. What is meaning by sanitation? Water, toilets. Are you getting me? So these all are the work done by gram panchayat. There are many work. He issue residence and date of birth and also death certificate of the people. Yes or no? Number 2, many points you can write, but any 5 you can do it. So now your work is going to